In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your WooCommerce order number. This is a handy trick for anyone managing an online store because it helps streamline order management and improves organization, especially if you want to start fresh with a new numbering system, or if you're simply looking to make the order numbers more aesthetically pleasing or straightforward for your business operations. Now, to get started, we'll be working with a plugin that makes this resetting process quite simple. Begin by heading over to your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, you'll see an option labeled Plugins. Hover over it, and you should see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, click on Add New. This is where you're going to find and install the plugin that will facilitate the resetting of your WooCommerce order numbers. Once you're on the Add New plugin page, there's a search bar on the top right-hand side. In this search bar, type in Custom Order Numbers for WooCommerce. This will bring up a list of plugin options, but the one with that exact name is what you're looking for. When you find it, you'll notice a button that says Install Now. Click on it. The installation process will take just a moment, and once it's complete, the same button will turn into an Activate button. Go ahead and click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. With the plugin activated, we can now proceed to configure it. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, navigate to WooCommerce and then select Settings from the drop-down list. Once you're in the Settings area, you should see a new tab called Custom Order Numbers. Click on that tab. This will take you to the Settings page where you can customize your order numbers. Here, you're going to set a new order number prefix. A prefix is a short identifier that comes before the actual order number. For example, you could use something like ORD to clearly indicate that this is an order number. Next, you'll decide the point at which you'd like your order numbers to start. Common starting numbers could be 1, 100, or even 1000, whatever suits your business needs best. The next crucial step is to enable sequential order numbering, which means that your order numbers will appear in a continuous, logical sequence, one after the other. Once you've set these preferences to your liking, be sure to scroll down and hit the Save Changes button. This will ensure that all your settings are locked in and applied to future orders made in your WooCommerce store. By following these steps, you've reset your WooCommerce order numbers effectively, helping to maintain a neat, organized order management system. It's a quick, efficient way to enhance the functionality of your online store.